Peekaboo! YouTube is mine now! Just kidding. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Daniel, and I'm back. And as I said in my last video, we are going to play some ps2 right now. And it's going to be one of my favorite games of them all, Ratchet and Clank. And we are going to start with Ratchet and Clank 1. Now I'm just hoping it's going to work. I had some trouble with it before, but now it seems that it's going to work right now. Oh yeah. Can you feel it, guys? Good old Ratchet and Clank. It's so great.
Final step, attach robotic ignition
I mean,
system.
it's timeless. You can play it at all times. And you might wonder why I was wearing a mask before. Well, as you can remember, in my last video, I said when you are playing with me, you never know. You never know what's going to happen. It can be anything from random stuff to crazy stuff. All that. There we have Clank. And can you see it all, guys? There's so many years since I have played this game. And also, sorry if the last video was maybe a little bit too long, but I'm still new and I'm still trying to do my best to making these videos good and interesting, you know. But most important, I just love making YouTube videos and just love hanging around with you guys, you know. I'm just honest. I love YouTube. And boobies. Wait, what? Alright. Now it's business time.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer advice on your internet.
Oh, yeah.
The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron.
Take this! Good old Ratchet. Welcome home, friend. Money, give me all the money. Well, Jesus! And sorry guys, if there's too much sunlight, but I had some trouble with my window, so please don't get annoyed by it. But what do you think, guys? Do you think that my videos should be short, or do you think my videos should be longer? Let me know in the comments. Jesus and this. It's good to be violent, but anyways, did you have a good weekend or what? Well, and also I have seen that I on that 2 weeks gained 11 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. Oh, for fuck's sake!
continue to crouch, and then press the square button.
Yeah, no! Yeah! Alright, was it all the money? Yes, it was.
You just picked up
And also, sorry, it is, well, actually, that's just, I should stop excusing for everything. What is it to be, for me to say sorry for? I'm just playing games, doing my best, and having fun with it, and sharing with you guys. Right. Uh, uh, it's Ratchet and Clank. How can it be more perfect? I mean, it has always been one of my favorite game series, Ratchet and Clank. Jesus!
to use your thumb. Press the circle button to navigate, and the circle button to follow. You can also use it in first person.
Hey, come back here! God! Oh, shut up! Alright, money. Can you hear me, guys? Alright. There we have a souvenir. Captain Quark in the background.
Interesting.
Ah!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
We're going to get some information.
My race and log have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we
Let's
are
go
no longer
forward.
able to dwell.
Not ours.
I, Chairman Dredd, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what is this?
Nice smoking. Where do we get it from?
Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on?
F?
So turn it off, you idiot!
I will not kiss his ass.
One of those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this info box, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
the robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So,
Good
I
old
agree to
Clank
take you
and
to
good
this,
old Ratchet.
wherever it is. Can you get my ship started for me?
That is what I am proposing.
But finally, finally, the game is working now. And before I, and when I was and when I was trying to making this video, I had some problems. But now the problems are solved.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
To infinity and beyond. That's Toy Story, you idiot.
Oh, and by the way,
Sorry.
you can stop calling me sir. My name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B5429.
I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
Hang on. Alright.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see
You always have a choice.
what has to say about that, my good man.
That's what X-Men.
I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you beauty.
You have now officially worn out your weapon and my patience.
Okay.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now.
Okay, great. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No, it's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any.
Alright. Entering atmosphere of planet Novelis. Sorry guys, but sometimes my concentration is not so good. That's just how I am. Yep.
Oh. Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry
Behind.
about that.
He is right behind him.
Well,
That's what she said.
Your ship from one of the inhabitants.
if there are any left.
Alright. And now the sheriff. Hello?
Hey, football.
The classic sound. Alright, sorry guys, but I have it trended right here. And I just want to say thank you for joining me. Remember, yeah, and remember to subscribe to my channel and if and also I would like to know if there was some game you were interested in, if there was some games you were interested to watch me playing, or if you have well something to say to me, please let me know in the comments. And also I'm going to talk in some Danish right now, so hey, hvad så mine danske kammerater? Altså hvis I mine danske kammerater kigger med, så vil jeg bare sige tak fordi I kigger med, og så også lige en ting til. Glædelig første søndag i advent. Ja, det er første søndag i advent lige nu. Men her så, hi guys. And one last thing, can we little mirror on the wall? Is I'm the best YouTuber of them all? Oh, shut up! But that was it, guys. I leave you now, and remember, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. See ya.